Mr. Restore started in 2008 when my partner and I decided that we could provide a better level of restoration service to customers in need following Hurricane Ike in Galveston. So we deployed, we helped, and we decided, hey, this is something we want to run as a company. And in 2009, we incorporated, and we have been moving forward since that time with the goal of providing an exceptional level of customer service to our clients who are going through a catastrophe. Mr. Restore is family owned and operated, and that means a couple of things for you. One, that means we're big enough to support your project and the needs you have to recover from a catastrophe, but it also means we're small enough to care about you and your project, and we're available. Our ownership group, our project managers, all of our staff are available for you anytime that you need them. And so we're also involved in the communities that we live in. So we're here, we're local, we're part of your community, you are a part of our family, and we're happy to support you. Mr. Restore has 60 years of restoration experience in the ownership group. That means we've been around a long time, and that means we have knowledge about how to handle a project. And so we're here to help, we're here to support. We are a 24/7 emergency response company. What that means is if the phone rings at 2 o'clock in the morning and you need help, we're there for you. And we can have crews on site at your project within an hour in most cases to start responding and helping you during your time of need. We want to help you recover. We want to help you get back to normal faster. Mr. Restore uses the latest technology available to us to make your project go faster and smoother. We use specific communication tools, we use specific documentation tools, we use specific tools to check for moisture that allow us the opportunity to provide you the best, most exceptional level of customer service with the fastest response to get you back to normal faster.